Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your save files and config files for No Man's Sky on PC. Let's get right into it. Finding your save game files. First, open any folder on your PC. Go to your C drive. Open the Users folder. Click on your username folder. Now, you'll need to open the app data folder. If you don't see it, click on the View tab at the top, select Show, and enable Hidden Items. Once app data is visible, open it. Go into the Roaming folder. Find and open the folder named Hello Games. Then open the NMS folder. Inside, open the folder with the long number. This is where all your save game files are located. Finding your config file. Open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click on No Man's Sky and select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click Browse to open the Games folder. Open the Binaries folder, then the Settings folder. Find the file TKGRAPHICSSETTINGS.MXML. Right-click it and select Edit with Notepad or any text editor. This file contains all of your graphics and configuration settings. And that's it! Now you know exactly where to find both the save files and config settings for No Man's Sky on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.